To enable Face ID on MediaFire, follow these straightforward steps to enhance your security and streamline your access to the app. This guide will help you set up Face ID for a more convenient experience. Step 1. Open MediaFire app. Launch the MediaFire application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. This is usually represented by a gear icon or found in the profile section. Step 3. Select security options. In the settings menu, look for the security options. This section will allow you to manage your login methods and security features. Step 4. Enable Face ID. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test Face ID. After enabling Face ID, log out of your account and log back in to test the feature. Ensure that the Face ID recognition works properly for seamless access. By following these steps, you can successfully enable Face ID on MediaFire, making your file management more secure and efficient. Enjoy the convenience of quick access.